Hey everyone, we are back for another video, and if you haven't yet watched my last video from the Riverside Drift round 1, I smacked the wall a little bit with the car. Yeah, I did a number on it. So if you guys want to watch that full video, please do so. And today what we're doing is trying to pound out this big dent. And as you've already seen, I tried to do a little pounding with the hammer, and I cut this piece out here, tried to do a little bit of pounding there. Anyway, we have a real tool now. So we're going to try and push this bad boy out. Alright, I absolutely hate recording like actual video footage with the GoPro, but we got it set up. We're going to do the first push here. So we're just going to watch it and see what happens. Progress so far. Keep working on it. I gotta be careful about that crease right there, but we'll keep going. A lot of work to go yet. Alright, well, I've been working on it pretty much most of the afternoon, and I mean, it looks awful, it looks terrible, but it's a little bit better than it did before. Not finished, so we're going to keep working on it, just not in this current day. Well, here we are, back at the car. I think I've done about everything that I can, really, within my ability, other than maybe if I got one of those rivet guns and, you know, tried to weld some rivets on there and pull this really bad wave out, try to pull some of this other stuff out, up in here. It was a pretty hard hit, so, but we did get the line for the Integra tail lights pretty much back to normal, and when you stand back and look at the car, it looks alright. So not the greatest, but better than it did. So I'll probably make the taillights match again, just with the original taillights. So we had a little bit of a buckle there, and then if you follow up and look, the hatch is actually more of a gap on this side than that side. I don't know if it's the hinge is messed up or if it actually tweaked the hatch. Anyway, I'm probably gonna conclude this video here, and any other work I do on it is just gonna kind of be here and there when I can. I mean, I want to get it a little bit straighter before I try to do any kind of Bondo work, or we got this pretty bad separation here, and it almost looks like I might have pulled it out a little bit too much here, but at the same time it's hard to tell because we have this gap right here. So if we follow along, we have a little bit of a gap here, but we don't have a gap here. And the bodywork on this side wasn't perfect because I did that Bondo, but I still need to kind of finish and make it look somewhat halfway decent again. So anyway, not a body guy, but working with what I got. So raining. Yeah, I'll try to straighten it out a little bit more, do something, and maybe slap some Bondo on it and at least make it one color again. Anyway, appreciate you all watching. Have a good one, and Road Warrior 72 out.